What's up guys, like I promised, I'm going to show you guys a video of my tablet, how it works and what functions I'm able to do with it. It's a bezel off I believe a 94 to 2000 Mustang bezel. Then with the two stereo slots, we went ahead and took them out, put the mold in for the tablet. We decided to move down the stereo down here, so we were able to connect the Bluetooth from the stereo to the tablet. We didn't have any more space, so we decided to put the AC controls in the glove compartment. As far as what I'm able to do with the tablet, I currently don't have it yet, but I'm gonna add internet to it. That way I could be using Google Maps, I could use YouTube. I also have it linked to my camera, my Guardian dash cam, so I'm able to see when I'm driving. I'm able to see what I'm recording. It's pretty much live right now of what I'm seeing in the front. Just to make sure if I'm ever in an accident that I recorded and I'm able to have proof of what happened. Let me show you guys how dash cam works. So I don't know if you can see right here, it says the RPMs. Pretty much it's pretty darn accurate. The speed limit that I'm going at is pretty much what it says. I'm pretty happy that it's spot on. It has a lot of things to it. It monitors your miles per gallon. As you can see, I don't get that well. It has, if you have any, it checks out your coolant, your intake map, everything, all your settings. It's all customized, so you can put whatever you want. Let me see what else. So like, here's extra gauges you're able to put. Run the diagnostic of your car. If you have any check engine codes that you got the little lights on, you're able to read it, clear it. So that's dash command. Next step for me, I wanna be able to hide all the wiring behind the bezels. I want to color match the stereo bezel, the shifter bezel, and the door bezels, just to make it look a little more cleaner. But overall, I'm pretty happy. I really like this little mod. Something that I had idea for a while. I'm happy that I finally made it at night. It makes the car look completely different. It makes you feel like you're driving a race car, even though you're not. But I completely love it. But let me know if you want to see anything else about my car. I feel like I've done a lot of things to it. I know there's a lot of people starting to fix their car. If they need help or anything, just let me know. I'll be able to help you whatever I can. A lot of people ask me what kind of hood I have. I have a BIS cow hood. A lot of people ask me what kind of size I have. I always tell them 3-inch, but a lot of people argue it's a 4-inch, so I don't know. I really don't know. I bought it as a 3-inch, so I claim a 3-inch. I have a 9901 Cobra bumper. I have 0304 Cobra wheels. I have slotted rotors rear and front. I have Cobra 03, actually 0304 Mach 1 front brakes. Inside I have Recaro racing seats. Love those things, really set it off. Inside, pretty much stock, just the bezel. That's for the rear. 0304 Cobra spoiler. And I almost forgot. 9901 Cobra tail lights. Everybody seems to like those. Just a few things. But just let me know if you want to see more videos about my car. There's a lot of things I have planned to it. I actually have a 0304 Cobra rear bumper that I'm going to add to it. But first I want to get it shaved off, and then I plan on painting the car and putting it all together. But yeah, I'm also going to be installing a supercharger soon. I plan to record everything. That way, if anybody has any questions or any guidance, we'll learn together. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it. I've asked too many shops how much they charge. They want an arm and a leg. I'm not willing to do that, you know, do everything myself. But yeah, peace.